Express 0.125 as a fraction in its simplest form. Solution. We'll apply the same principle in the first example by bringing this to a fraction, that is 0.125 divided by 1. Now we multiply by powers of 10 depending on the number of decimal places. In the first example, we had 2 decimal places, so we multiplied by 100. Now we have 3 decimal places, therefore we multiply by 1000. This will give us 125 over 1000. The next step is to then divide this by factors until we bring this fraction to its simplest term. So we have 125 divided by 5 and also 1000 divided by 5. This would give us 5 in 12, that's 2, remainder 2. Now in 25, 5 over, now 5 in 10, that's 2, then 0, 0. Now we have 25 over 200. We can still divide further, so therefore we divide by the next factor, which is still 5. Now when you divide 25 by 5, you get 5 over, now 200 divided by 5, you get 40. We can still bring this down, so 5 will be divided by 5 again, and then 40 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 will give us 1, and then 40 divided by 5 will give us 8. Therefore, 0.125 equals 1 over 8. Try this with other decimals around. Thank you.